Hi, I'm Jessica, and I'm a CBT and training specialist at DoveLewis.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'm a CBT, VTS in ECC, and patient and educational specialist at DoveLewis. And we're excited to announce the release of the new Dove Technician Training Kit. The Technician Training Kit is designed to help any hospital standardize the onboarding and training of technicians, regardless of years in the field or past experience.
Here at DoveLewis, our technician staff of 46 range from 1 to 25 years of experience. We have specialty department technicians, ER and ICU technicians, VTS technicians, veterinary assistants, and technicians that have just graduated. While this is a wide range of skills and experience, it can make it challenging to keep track of individual progress and ensure consistency. We hope the Technician Training Kit will help support managers, trainers, and technicians.
The Level 1 Technician Training Kit is comprised of two main parts for each technician, a skills assessment and an exam. As technicians work through the skills assessment, they will be responsible for tracking their progress and working with other members on the floor. This list is meant to be thorough, and it may be challenging for some. Ensure that your team members know who to go to with questions or for clarifications.
After a technician has completed the skills assessment, they are able to complete the exam portion. An answer key is available for managers and trainers, so you can easily grade your team's work. Also, the kit comes with fun add-ons, like a certificate of completion, a technician acronym sheet, and a handful of helpful technician tips to help them along the way through their kit. We are excited to implement this kit at our own hospital and hope it will be a useful tool in yours. Stay tuned for more levels coming in 2021.